All right, here we go. This is our 2020 Leaf Autograph Mini Football Helmet Triple Box Break number 6. Last one. First thing we're going to do is randomize the list of participants. Get everybody on here. In the requested spot number, starting with Kemps 10, who had spot 1. Down to Maker Bakefield in the last few spots there. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Let's run through that quickly. And those are the teams. We got all 32 NFL teams on your alphabetical quarters, starting with Arizona. Down to Washington. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Go. Run through that quickly. I'm just going to copy paste those lists in my spreadsheet. Read off everybody's team. One moment, please. All right, Pasta's got Indianapolis, Maker Bakefield, Green Bay, Steve F, Chicago, Ryan, Washington, Sheriff Force, New York Jets, Joe Jr., Denver, Edward, Cleveland, Sir Stag, Los Angeles Chargers, Pasta, Miami, Maker Bakefield, New Orleans, LPK, Las Vegas, CDF, Philadelphia, David, New York Giants, Ryan, Baltimore, Jinx Life, Jacksonville, Ray Cole, Pittsburgh, Steve F, Seattle, CDF, San Francisco, Tyler, Dallas, Spyron, Tennessee, LPK, Arizona, Kemps, Buffalo, Papa Joey, Cincinnati, and Los Angeles Rams. Ryan, Kansas City, Maker Bakefield, Atlanta, Scott, Houston, Muffin Stuffer, Minnesota, Sir Stay, Carolina, Muffin Stuffer, New York, New England, Mirage, Bird, Detroit, and NSP, Tampa Bay. Alright, here we go. Number 1, good luck. Cut up next is the cup. And then third cut to finish off the day. Mega breaks tomorrow starting at noon. First one's already sold out. The second one is about halfway. Giving away 4 boxes of Series 2 and you get those breaks tomorrow. First up, this is Dan Hampton. Going to Chicago. Double check who had Chicago here. Steve F. Number 2. Joe Delamiller, Buffalo. Probably not pronouncing that right. Buffalo is Kemps 10. Here we go. Last one. Fred Dean. Chargers. Chargers. Sursteg. All right, there we go. These are triple autograph football home break. Number 6 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.